we have premium cloth carrying machine.
Hi, my name is Narendra Dasharath. I am co-founder of Dhauta Engineering. Our project is premium clothing care machine. So globally, many are wearing expensive clothes regularly due to rise in income, corporate jobs, love for brands and designer wears. Present washing machine technologies are not suitable to handle premium clothes because of high speed rotating drum. The cloths get entangled to each other and the fabric suffers lot of forces, due to which aging of cloths occurs soon. And there are only two choices. One is wash the clothes by hand carefully, or depend on dry cleaning or laundry services. So dry cleaning and laundry services are the highly trending in tier 1, tier 2 cities globally because of busy working lifestyle. Uh, Coming to dry cleaning services are expensive in long run. They are logistic intensive, and mainly they use toxic chemicals which is hazardous to workers, even for the customers who are using dry clean clothes regularly. But unfortunately, there is no machine in the market which is specially made for premium cloths. So, to solve this global issue, we have developed a uh, uh, laundry machine that can handle each clothes independently and care for them. Uh, our uh, our laundry machine has complete washing features like water wash, dry wash, steam wash, and other features like drying, ironing and conditioning. Our main product USP is it is the world's fastest washing machine, and it can get ready to wear clothes within 2 to 15 minutes. We have applied for 2 patents on these machines, and we have developed a working prototype, and we need 20 lakhs and 10 months to do the final product and launch the product. So, we plan to launch in 3 phases. First phase will be laundry as a service, and second phase will be product as a service, where we will rent our product and do franchise, and also we can have pay and use booths. And in third phase we will sell our product with several variants to B2B and B2C. Coming to laundry service industry in India is 2.2 lakh crore industry, and if we even consider 1% of this, we have opportunity of 2200 crore of business. For revenue projection, we have considered laundry service industry. We plan to launch 2 units initially, and we are considering 80 orders per day. Generally, laundry service guys get 200 to 600 orders per day. As we are a startup, we are considering 80 orders per day per unit, and we are generating a revenue about 8.5 lakhs per month, and 45% will be our profits.
Thank you very much. That is really a revolutionary product. We have Dr. AP Achar, the man and the brain behind the entire show, posing his first question.
Your project is very interesting. Your product addresses two major problems. One is the hand wash, avoiding hand wash, and also the dry wash. But are you sure that your product is capable of solving these two problems?
Yes, we have done intensive research on each and every functionality of this product. We took 2 years to patent as well as create a prototype and test each and every functionality like water wash, dry wash, steam wash, and ironing it, drying it, and every function is working as per satisfaction.
Who are your customers? Are you selling it to households or to the laundry?
Initially, we are planning for laundry as a service because we see a very huge market in service industry, and as our product is new and it is specially designed for premium clothes, we think we have good scope in laundry service.
Any possibility of you setting up your own specialty laundry services, your own laundries in the cities?
Yes, we plan to have 2 types of laundry services. One is setting up a laundry service. Also, our machine is very compact, so we have a new business like having a mobile unit. We can have a mobile laundry unit and go wherever it is required. This is a very new concept
Very
worldwide.
interesting, very interesting.
So the thing is with premium laundry business, there were a lot of startups that came in and had even received funding, but none of them like really made it big, because one of the biggest challenge was scalability. So how do you plan to scale this business? How do you plan to make it from local to global or whatever? I mean, what's the scalability model here?
The other startups are using the same laundry technology and they are facing lot of issue because they have a big startup cost acquiring the machine, first thing. The second thing is logistic intensive it is, and chemical intensive. But our product solves all this. We have a compact machine and we can have a mobile unit, so we can go to the person, like we can fix some few apartments for few hours. We can book the customers through app, and we can tell we are coming to this place at this spot, and we can service them. So this will be our USP, and I think it will sell a good.
So in terms of, I was asking scalability more in terms of the market, like which markets are you targeting? How do you plan to expand amongst geographies? Is it that every time you would have to put in new machines, or how does the business scalability aspect of it work?
Initially for the service industry we are taking mobile units, and for the B2B there are a lot of scope in airports, because there is lot of customers going in and coming in and they need some refreshing their jackets, their clothes. There is no option right now, they use the same jackets. And also traveling, like people take 10 to 15 clothes for a week because they don't have any options for refreshing the clothes very fast. And as well as in star hotels, there is even in star hotels they take 4 to 5 days to give the cloths back. So in star hotels we can keep it and within few minutes we can deliver the cloths. So there is a lot of scope in B2B as well as B2C.
I was listening to your fund requirement. Basically, we are asking for 20 lakh rupees. Is it sufficient, and what is the basis of your calculation?
So we are initially starting it slowly. So we are just making 2 units. Out of 20 lakhs, we'll take 10 months and we'll develop the 2 machines for 5 months. And after 5 months, we'll start marketing, we'll start all other things to launch the product. So initially, we'll start it slow, then we'll have a next round of funding, then we'll set up a big unit for service as well as production of the unit.
What is the cost per unit?
Cost per unit is dependent on the variant. Basically, we have starting from 60,000 to 5 lakh rupees. Like we have single loading cloths, we have multiple loading cloths. So it's all depends on the requirement. For laundry service, I think we can take in between so that we can have a mobile unit. So it may cost around 1.5 to 2 lakhs.
A very interesting concept, because I do a lot of traveling and I know the difficulty of getting the things cleaned up. But here, two things is very important. Number one, what is the technology which you use? Whether you have did any research it has on the material. Because many times what happens, if you do a very rustic sort of cleansing, then the cloth will get ruptured, or cloth will get very fast, it will lose its sheen. So did you do any research on that? Number one. Number two, you told that 200 to 600 is a number of material or number of items which a laundry guy do. But that is a normal material. They don't do much premium materials like that. There will be very few in number. So I am having a doubt on your financial model.
Answering your first question, we have done lot of research on this different types of cloths, what kind of cloths need what kind of washing, what kind of features, and we have done even testing on few of the cloths, and our machine is such that we can control each and every aspect of it.
So normally what happens is, people have apprehension that when we give for dry cleaning or washing, you are mixing other people's cloth along with ours. So do you have any customer specific, or suppose I give my jacket for cleaning, only my jacket will be separately cleaned? Can you just answer on this?
Yes sir. So actually present washing machine technology, it is a dry cleaning or laundry services. it is the same thing. Every cloths are put into a single drum. There is no separate cleaning. But our machine, we have designed it specially to handle each cloth at a time. So every cloth is handled only one at a time. There is no cross contamination with other cloths. That is the speciality of our machine.
What is the pricing for me? If I give my jacket just for washing, then what will be the pricing?
We are giving a competitive price based on the region, and it will be around, we are starting from 80 to 100 rupees, and it will reach to 500, 600 based on the clothing type. For normal jackets, we plan to around from 80 to 150 rupees. That is the standard industry.
Okay,
Cloth.
very nice.
Looks like an amazing product which can create disruption in the market. But my concern is that are you able to manufacture this? That all the benefit that you're claiming now. That's the only concern I have.
Yes, sir. We have worked on several aspects of this, like each and every part design I have done personally, and even I have looked at the vendors who are selling what, and we have the vendor list, part list, and all the technology available to manufacture this. Only the thing is, when funding is ready, we are ready to do the work.
So yeah, I'm definitely, I mean, I'm intrigued by especially the uniqueness of the product. So would definitely, after you pass the POC stage, would be interested in helping you get that investment commitment.